So I guess you have already seen the thumbnail. This video is all about the verilog and how you're gonna design half header by it. So at first I'm gonna open the new project wizard. It's gonna take some time though. I'm gonna select the device location where I'm going to save my project. So quarters, practice. I'm going to save in here. Half header. Okay, half header. So I'm going to name same as the folder. Next, just existing project, I'm gonna delete it. Yes. Next. Then I'm going to select model simultaneous. Next. Finish. It's gonna take some time. Then okay, quarters prime. File, new, verilog HDL. Okay. So in here I'm going to write all the codes. At first, we have to understand some basic things about half header. So I use the writing pad. So suppose this is my half header. So here is the input A. Here is the input B. Okay. Here is the input B. And A and B gonna be XOR in here. I cannot write by this mouse. I do not have writing pad. So A and B gonna be XOR in here. And A and B going to AND in here. This is the AND gate and this is the XOR gate. So this is the total output of an half header. I'm gonna name it as, that means this is the sum and this is the carry, AB. This is the truth table of half header. We can see when it's A and B both are 0, the sum will be 0, the carry will be 0. But when the A and B both are 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. So we have to know these things because we have to write the codes by this knowledge. Okay, let's get into the code. In here at first, I'm gonna call the module. Oh, oops, all the letters will be small letter, module. Then I'm going to write exactly same the folder names. Okay, half header. Then in first bracket, and first bracket ends with the semicolon. So I'm going to write in here all the inputs. We had two inputs, A, comma, B. Sorry, A, comma, B. And we had two outputs, which I took S and C. S means sum and C means carry. If you remember, in here, sum and carry. Okay. So this is all our inputs and outputs. So which are input and which are output, I have to define. So I'm gonna take input A, comma, B. These are our inputs, and output, OUT, output S, comma, C. These are my outputs. Sorry, a little bit mistake because all the letters will be large letter. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna assign. Now we have to understand some basic knowledge about verilog. In verilog, there are some signs which represents OR gate, AND gate, OR operation, AND operation, XOR operation, XNOR operation. So here, why not? S is equal to, if you remember, in here, when sum is equal to A XOR B. So we have to write sum is equal to A XOR B and carry. That means C. C is equal to A and B, right? So sum, S means sum. Okay, I'm going to name them sum. That will be easier to understand. Carry means, okay, cry, carry. Suppose it is the carry. And sum. Okay. No, I'm going to write it right. Carry. Okay. So sum is equal to A XOR B. A in verilog, XOR sign represents this one. This is mean XOR sign. Okay. So in sum, A and B gonna be XOR and carry A double S I G N assign carry is equal to A and B. This means the AND operation and this means the carry operation. I mean XOR operation. So we have started with module. So we have to end this module, right? END MODULE. We just ended the module. Okay. So I'm going to run this project. Half letter. Okay. In here, I'm going to save it. So it's still taking some time. 0 errors, 5 warnings. 0 errors, 14 warnings. Okay. Don't think about the warnings. Just you have to look about the errors. So there is 0 errors. That means we have run it successfully. Now go to the tools. Netlist viewer, RTL viewers. Okay, it's gonna generate the RTL view. So this is our half header. As we say that A and B will be input and AB will be carry. That means A and B will be and that will be the carry, and A and B gonna be XOR and that will be the sum. This is our half header. Okay, this is our first part. So we have successfully designed the half header. Now I'm gonna go some advanced knowledge. Okay, we are going to make an half header. No, পর্যন্তই থাক আজকে